Hey guys, if you don't live near the sea, I have some bad news for you. You're probably iodine deficient and it's probably affecting your TSH, T3, and T4 hormones. Okay, so these are all thyroid hormones. So, this is something that I personally wouldn't have known if I didn't get tested. No doctor ever told me, but iodine, potential iodine deficiency um, that I had. So, yeah, so for the people that live near the ocean, they get iodine naturally through breathing the ocean air. But yeah, for all of those that live inland, the only way to get iodine is through your diet. And it turns out that even if you eat a lot of fish, and get, eat a healthy diet, you're likely iodine deficient. And like I said, I only figured this out through testing my thyroid hormones. So in this video, I'm going to show you my test results. I'm going to show you the study that talks uh, about the difference in iodine between those that live near the sea and those that live inland, and I'm going to tell you what I'm doing to fix my iodine status. I can't just move near the ocean, at least not right now. Future plans, right? God willing. But for now, I just have to figure out a way to fix my iodine status through my diet. And so I'm going to tell you what I'm doing to fix my iodine. All right. So, yeah, let me show you the study first, and then I'll show you my test results so you can see how my thyroid hormones were affected, and it was affecting my energy, my mood. So yeah, let's look at the study first, though. All right, guys. So I did a quick Google search and look at the first result that pops up from the NIH, National Institutes of Health. Living near the sea may confer advantages for iodine intake. Iodine gas released from seaweeds may, through respiration, supply a significant fraction of daily iodine requirements. So as you can see, this says it all, right? Like if you live near the sea, you're going to get iodine naturally just through breathing the ocean air. And again, there are multiple results that confirm this, guys. Look at this from liverdoctor.com. The sea air is good for your thyroid. Um, yeah, the sea air is a good source of iodine. If you don't get enough of this nutrient through your diet, breathing it in may be just as good. Another result here from Science Direct: ocean as a source of atmospheric iodine. Again, there are multiple results that confirm the same thing: the benefits of breathing sea air. Um, so, yeah, like I said, if you don't live near the sea, if you live inland like I do, you should probably get tested. Get your TSH, T3, and T4 tested. In my case, my TSH was normal, but my T3 and T4 were completely out of whack. And actually, that's what ChatGPT says. It says that iodine affects your T3 and T4. I asked ChatGPT if iodine was essential. For those of you that think it's not essential, you're wrong. Iodine is an essential mineral for the human body. It plays a crucial role in thyroid function, helping to produce the hormones thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. These hormones control the body's metabolism, growth, and development. Inadequate iodine intake can lead to problems such as goiter, but that's in advanced stages, guys. Like you don't need to wait till you get goiter, till it's actually visual, till you can see it. You may be deficient at an early stage. Yeah, it may cause mental impairment and in severe cases during pregnancy, cretinism in infants. Iodine is typically obtained from the diet. It is found in seafood, dairy products, and iodized salt, amongst other sources. It's important to have a balanced diet to ensure you get enough iodine, but not too much, as both iodine deficiency and excess can cause health problems. So as you can see, guys, like I have a healthy diet. All of these things that contain iodine, I eat them on a daily basis, and yet still my T3 and T4 were out of whack. And in fact, I'm going to show you my test results right now, so we can talk about it a little bit more. 1 second. All right, guys. So here are my test results from my blood spot thyroid hormones. And as you can see, thyroglobulin is a bit on the higher side at 31.9. We got total T4, free T4, free T3 that are a bit too low, especially free T3, which is, pretty much in the red zone. But what's weird is that my TSH is normal, right? Smack dab in the middle at 1.8. So, and it's funny because most of the time when you go to the doctors, they only test your TSH, right? They don't test the free and total T3 and T4 and thyroglobulin and TPUAB. So you wouldn't get a full picture just by testing your TSH, right? I wouldn't have known that I had an iodine deficiency if I didn't get the whole panel. And in fact, let me scroll to the bottom of the document here because these are comments from the lab based on my test results. They're saying thyroglobulin is within normal range, but higher than the average considered optimal, suggesting less than optimal consumption of iodine. This is it, guys. This is the line that made me understand everything about the link between iodine and thyroid hormones. I didn't know about this stuff before I read these lab comments. So, yeah, suggesting less than optimal consumption of iodine over the past several weeks, or blockage of iodine uptake, or utilization by goitrogens found in common foods. This is not my case. I don't really consume soy. Not really. I don't consume that many cruciferous vegetables either. Industrial contaminants, cigarette smoke. I don't smoke. So yeah, in my case, it's clear that it's a low iodine consumption in my diet that's caused, my T3, T4, and thyroglobulin to be outside the optimal range. Like I said, you guys should do these tests as well to see if you're in the same situation as me. But yeah, these lab comments mention iodine multiple times. And I'm super happy that I did this test because, like I said, no doctor ever talked to me in the past about iodine. They would just do the TSH test. And if the TSH was normal, they would, basically write off any possible issue with my thyroid hormones or iodine uptake. But yeah, guys, let me tell you what I'm doing to fix my iodine status. Okay, so I'm basically taking kelp supplements on a daily basis. So kelp is one of the highest sources of iodine. Again, if you're lucky to live near the ocean, you're breathing in this iodine through seaweeds that are releasing this iodine in the atmosphere, and then you're just breathing it in. If you're living inland, you need to take some sort of iodine supplement, and I chose sea kelp again because it's one of the highest sources. In fact, let me search here real quick on ChatGPT. What are the highest sources of iodine? I'm pretty sure kelp is going to be high on the list. Yeah, seaweed, right? Seaweeds like kelp, nori, and wakame are amongst the highest sources of iodine. So for those of you that like sushi, that like to eat at Japanese restaurants, make sure you get that nori, wakame, and kelp on a regular basis. So seafood, dairy products, iodized salt, eggs, and prunes. But guys, like I said, I was already consuming seafood, dairy products, iodized salt, and eggs. Maybe not prunes, but pretty much all of the rest I was already consuming on a daily basis, right? Yogurt, cheese, and still I was deficient in iodine. So like I said, that's why I'm now taking sea kelp. I'm taking this supplement right here on a daily basis. I'm going to report back in a few months. I'm going to make another video to tell you if I was able to fix my T3 and T4 and thyroglobulin with this supplement. And it says it right here, right? Excellent source of iodine, which has been shown to be essential for healthy thyroid function. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to this channel, guys, because I'm going to be posting a video update to tell you what happened to my thyroid hormones after taking this for at least 3 months. Okay, so I highly recommend you consider supplementing with kelp. There are a bunch of supplements on Amazon. Like I said, I'm taking pretty much one of the cheapest ones here from Now Nutrition. You can consider something a little bit fancier like this one, Plant Iodine, um, from this brand, which is well known to deliver quality supplements. Um, Tricetra. I tried one of their supplements before, but it was fish oil. No, not fish oil. It was um, cod liver oil, and it was really good quality. So yeah, this is a good brand too. Or you can go for one of the cheap ones like I did. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, please subscribe and like this video if you learned something useful. And if you have any questions about this video, please post it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer all questions as early as I can. Thanks again.